everybody!
Guess what, kids? Look, it's the animal train.
Animal train, I like the
Chugga,
animal
chugga, chugga,
train.
chugga, 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 chugga. Hi, Buddy Bear.
Hi, Miss Carol.
Oh my goodness, I'm so glad you're here to help with the animal
Marvin.
train. Well, are you boys ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what we need is the magic train whistle.
Magic. We need
Everybody
some
think about it.
magic.
Magic,
Let's
magic,
think.
magic. There it is.
Okay, on aboard.
Let's get on the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names. When we get on the animal train. Some live in the ground. Some live all around. All aboard. Let's get on the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names. When we get on the animal train. And some like the rain. And some like have funny names. All aboard. All aboard.
Boy, I like that song, Miss Carol. That's a fun song to play.
That's a really fun song.
Yeah.
And the kids all know that we always do something special about an animal when we're
Yeah.
on our animal train.
Yep.
And, well, Marvin, you want to tell him what we're going to do today?
Well, buddy, we're gonna do bears.
Bears.
Yeah, you're the honorary bear, so we're gonna talk about all the bears.
How about that?
Whoa, thank you, everybody. Ain't nobody done nothing like that.
Well, we're so glad that
Wow.
you're here, and we really like we really cherish your friendship.
Oh, Miss Carol, anytime. You've been to my house before,
Oh
anytime.
boy, when we went on the bear hunt,
Yep.
and I wasn't expecting to find that great big mama bear in the cave, and I was
Yep.
so afraid. It turned out to be your mom.
Yeah, I heard that. That was pretty good there,
Yeah.
buddy.
Yep,
Oh,
yep.
Marvin, that would have scared you though so much because she's so big.
Yeah, well, she's a nice lady, though.
Well, are y'all ready to talk about the brown bears? Now let's talk about the ones that live in North America.
Okay.
About how big do you think your dad is?
Oh,
Tell us about how big
he's a lot bigger than me.
Big brown bears, I heard they get up to 9 foot.
Wow, 9
That's
foot.
really big.
I
And
gotta
about-
go for a little bit, Miss Carol. I'll be right back.
Oh, okay.
Okay, goodbye. I'll be right back.
Well, buddy, you and I talk about how big your dad is. He's about 1,200 pounds, wouldn't you say?
Oh, yep.
I think your mom is real close to that, too. Now, I understand that bears hibernate, but not for the same reason as other creatures hibernate.
Well, yeah, that's true. We hibernate mostly in the winter time.
In the wintertime, and the reason for that is not because you need to necessarily get out of the cold because you have lots of layers of fur, but because there's not that much food and you need to be able to sleep so you can survive not eating.
That's right, Miss Carol. Boy, you sure are smart, Miss Carol.
And usually the mama bears, while they're hibernating, have 1 to 4 babies, or cubs is what they're called, right?
Yep, that's right.
And,
me and my little brothers and sisters.
Well, there you go. And so usually it's 2 cubs, but they can have up to 4. Now, tell me, what's your favorite foods?
Mine,
Mm-hmm.
I like fish.
Fish? Like salmon?
Oh, salmon.
Is that your
yeah.
favorite?
Oh, yeah, Miss Carol.
I heard that bears
Berries.
are great fishermen.
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty true, Miss Carol. We like the fish. And berries.
Berries.
And fish.
We did fish.
And berries.
Nuts. What about
And fish.
those little
And
bees
honey,
make honey?
Oh, honey's just, I eat honey every day.
Oh, I bet. And you're a good climber. You climb trees really good, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, I met Buddy Bear by his tree in that tree is not too far from here.
Nope, the magic tree. Nope. It's
Yes.
got magic honey. Ooh, I get
What
it.
about cheese? Do you like to eat cheese?
Oh, Marvin eats the cheese. I think.
Marvin, I wonder how Marvin's doing. I know he left to run an errand.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Here I come back.
Oh, good, here he is. Hi, Marvin.
Yeah, I had to go check something for my mom.
Oh, you're such a good son. Well, you know what? I think we're about ready to sing our closing song. Are y'all ready to do that?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, kids, we got to think about that magic train whistle again.
Hey, everybody think.
Magic, magic. There it is. All aboard. Let's get on the animal train. Learn about the animals and all of their names. When we get on the animal train. Some live in the ground and some live all around.
Oh, Miss Carol, that was good.
Thanks, kids,
Thanks,
for
Miss Carol.
joining us.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Okay, I'm going home.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
You gonna get some cheese?
Gonna get some cheese.
I kind of thought so. And I think I have some honey for you, buddy. Okay. We're gonna go get some honey. Bye, kids.